Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Klink token on Binance Alpha. So as you know, Klink just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how step by step. So watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps and go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search Klink. You can search it, and you will find Klink on Alpha here. This one, you can click it, and this is the chart. As you can see from the chart perspective, it's not bad. I think it's good. So let's see the details by click info here in the top. There is 24-hour high and low, and also the volume is not bad, 15 million in 24 hours, and there is 1 billion Klink. Also, you can check their website and their social media. So if you want to buy it, you can just click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose instant buy. You can swap your USDT or other token to Klink, or you can choose limit order here. You can put the price you want to buy like this, and also the amount here. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.